You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to make AI emojis in Facebook Messenger. Open the Messenger app and start a conversation with a friend. Tap the text field to bring up the keyboard. Next to the text box, tap the sticker icon, which looks like a smiling square. In the sticker tray, look for the option that says Create or AI. This may be represented by a magic wand or sparkle icon. Tap on it. You will see a prompt where you can type a description of the emoji or sticker you want to create. For example, type a happy robot wearing a hat or a crying taco. Tap Generate or Create. Messenger's AI will generate a unique sticker based on your description. You can generate multiple versions and choose the one you like. Tap on the generated sticker to send it in the chat. This feature uses Meta's AI technology and may not be available in all regions or on all accounts. If you don't see the option, ensure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can also use AI to generate images directly in the chat by typing Imagine followed by a prompt, but this specific command may vary. Have fun creating custom stickers for your conversations. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.